Tiny house number 9 is now well underway at the Huot Technical Center this year. This is our 9th tiny house that we've built with the Lakes Region Builders and Remodelers Association. This is a great workforce development project that we work on with our building construction and plumbing and heating students. This ends up being a 430 square foot small house that I've posted many pictures of in the past. Not often do we get to see this part of it. So the building construction classes spent some time building that floor system with the LVLs and the floor joists and the Advantech plywood. Got it all built on the floor, and we're lucky to have 28 students between our 2 second-year classes. So we get them together and we get that house up on those stanchions, puts it about 36 inches off the ground so we can get under it and do the work, and they can continue framing above. Again, we usually don't get much for good video on this, but this year we were smart and set up a couple of different angles on the camera to get the kids doing the work and getting it up in the air. It's really a great thing because this kicks it off and gets the house project really rolling for all of us. We've built our boiler board in the construction, in the plumbing and heating classroom, and they've got this built, and the project is getting going. We're really excited about this one. It's going to be a great year, great project, and we really appreciate you checking this out.